excuse me while I whip this out.
Tell you how hot it is in Arizona. Right now it's hotter than a Phoenix STD clinic on Monday morning. It is way hot here, but still the work has to be done. So this is day two of this project that I'm working on. A little bit of an issue here where there's some paint that just didn't quite act right, so that's going to get sanded and redone. And other than that, you know, it's not professional, of course, but it does look pretty good. I mean, it's shiny enough. And I got all the spots. I got everything taken care of as far as, you know, imperfections that I'm capable of doing with the limited supplies that I have. But today, something special came in for this project that I'm DIYing today. And that is this. So I've got some Vivid paint protection film that just came in from Amazon today. So this will be going on here as soon as possible. But of course after, I do a little bit of prep and sanding on this and some cleaning, wipe it down with some alcohol, and then I'll get to performing the duties of trying to make this look better than what it did, as far as after it was pretty much destroyed or damaged from, of course, my scraping it, and when I had someone put the supercharger in, they kind of scraped it a bit too, which not really their fault. It's not their responsibility to raise my car up after they're done fixing it. So I'm going to go ahead and get this prepped and ready, get it smoothed out, alcohol it down, and then you guys get to watch me struggle, because I've never really done this on such intricate pieces as this that has a nice little lip here that you have to fold the paint protection film in, so that's going to be interesting. It has all these curves in it, so that's going to be really interesting. And we'll just see how it goes. Hopefully I don't blow anything up. I don't think I can blow anything up with this, I hope. And I don't screw anything up too bad where I have to buy more of this, because this is kind of expensive, and start the project all over again. So thank you for joining me today, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get this started.